We're here in Tokyo at Sukiyabashi Jiro in Roppongi. This place has been on my bucket list for so long. I can't believe we're about to embark on this culinary feast. Jiro Ono is one of the best sushi chefs in the world, and I was lucky enough to have an omakase experience by his son Takashi Ono. Omakase translates to "I leave it up to you." We sat down for a 15-course nigiri meal consisting of the finest fish in Tokyo.
From already soy sauce on the top, every sushi, I recommend. If you want soy sauce more, please use this.
This experience will cost you around $400, but this is the price tag of eating at one of the best sushi restaurants in the world. You're not only paying for the amazing food, but you're paying for the decades of experience, quality ingredients, and a curated meal from one of the best chefs in the world.
This is the lean tuna, lean, no fatty tuna. Gizzard shell, type of sardine. We use salt and vinegar marinade. This fish only sushi in Japan. No grill, no boil, just sushi. Where do you come from?
Australia.
Australia, America.
Almost other sushi shop use salmon roe made from factory. Factory made a lot, not bribery. This one our home made. Please eat compare.
かけてなかった。
でなんだ
その
Next on the Japanese tiger prawn, just cook now, still warm. My recommendation, you eat first, tail first. You know, boiled shrimp is warm is better, cold is not. Then my master changed about 35 years ago. The customer understand warm is better. But some shop cold. Customer no eat shrimp, so they use raw shrimp. But the traditional the boiled shrimp, we think mineralized boiled shrimp much better. Sea uji. Next are the mackerel, salt and vinegar marinade. Before you eat horse mackerel, it's a no marinade, just raw. This one normal mackerel and salt and vinegar marinade. This is salt water eel, sea eel, sweet sauce の後、no soy sauce please. And then next time the egg coming for you, the course finish. You eat already 14 pieces now. But these fish not include the course, extra. If you want, most fatty tuna, flounder fin, giant clam, small scallops, hard shell clam, already cooked, sweet taste, and a different type of sea urchin. If you want some more, please choose your favorite fish. どうも。俺の情報はそんなのやらないで言うだろう。This is sushi style. Like a cake, but we don't use any flour. No flour, no powder.
Oh wow.
We use egg and mashed shrimp. Shrimp for the taste instead of milk or cream. And one more, Japanese yam. Yam for the soft texture instead of powder.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
You know, this character sushi.
Mm.
Left side is a fish, right side is a delicious. Fish and delicious together sushi.
Oh wow.
How many times in Japan?
This is my second time. This is her first time. Yeah.
It's been amazing.
Yeah.
This is definitely the highlight.
This is a highlight.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, we booked this like months ago, and
Yeah.
we're looking forward to this moment.
This time, how long stay? How many days? in
1
Japan?
month.
1 month.
Yeah.
Yeah, we stayed 1 month. We were in
Yes.
Osaka, Kyoto, and then we came to Tokyo.
Yeah.
Have you ever been to America or?
No,
Australia?
We are so busy. I was
Oh, yeah.
overseas travel just one time.
Oh wow.
35 years ago, honeymoon,
Wow.
honeymoon for Europe.
Seven days a week you work here?
6 days.
6 days. Extremely busy, but that's a
Yeah.
great thing. ごちそうさまでした。
Oh, good Japanese. Thank you very much.
Really delicious. We'll be back definitely.
Yes. Unforgettable.
Unforgettable.
Please enjoy Japan.
Thank you. Thank you. We will. Wow. What an experience. Okay, I'm actually so full from that, but that was the most amazing meal I've ever had. The most amazing sushi I've ever had. Like, I didn't even know like flavors like that could exist in sushi, but I guess that's what this whole kind of culinary experience is. When you try really great food like this, it's absolutely unlike anything you've ever tasted. Literally everything from the first bite you take in this restaurant to the tamago, which tasted like cake, to the tuna, which I've never had tuna with this kind of texture, with this type of meaty deliciousness, and even the rice. It's everything you think sushi should be when you try it. I was glad that he was so talkative. He talked with us the whole time and explained thoroughly through each fish. It was actually like an educational experience too. It's more than just the eating experience, it's a historical experience. Jiro and his family have changed what sushi means to the whole world. So to even be able to eat at his table and speak with him is an honor. And this food is honestly unforgettable.